Welcome to Key Stage 3 Science. This is all about puberty and growing up. So let's have a read of this together and we'll go through some explanations. So puberty is the time when a child begins to change into an adult. So when you're a child and you're changing into an adult, this whole process is called puberty. In boys, it begins between the ages of about 12 and 14 years of age. In girls, it begins between the ages of about 11 and 13 years of age. Special chemicals called sex hormones are released into the blood. These chemicals cause many of the changes that happen in the body. Emotional changes also happen at this time. So let's have a look at the differences between boys and girls during puberty. So the testes begin to make sperms. So testes are based in your testicles. A hormone called testosterone is produced by the testes. For a boy, the voice becomes deeper. The hair grows on the face and the body becomes more muscular. And there will be some changes in attitudes and behaviors in boys. Let's have a look at some of the changes in puberty for girls. So the ovaries begin to produce ova. A hormone called estrogen is produced by the ovaries. The monthly menstrual cycle starts, and the hair grows on parts of the body. The hips will widen and curve, and the breasts begin to develop. We'll go through these points in much more detail in our next lesson. But in the meantime, the information that you have, try and answer the questions just to get used to the topic as well. And we'll go into much more detail in our next lesson. Good luck.